As you all know that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has announced an economic package in its speech. And to share the details of that package, our Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman addresses a press conference on 13th May 2020 in which she has shared the relief and the amount allocated to different sectors. Since our topic is all about income tax and TDS, we will discuss the same in this video. So, without wasting time, let's begin with the relief under IT Act. So, the first point of relief is the rates of the TDS or TCS in respect of the specified payments or receipts shall be reduced by 25%. It means if you are deducting tax at the rate of 10% right now, the new effective tax rate after reducement of 25% will be 7.5%. The second thing is this concession in the rate shall be available for a tax deducted or collected between 14th May 2020 to 31st March 2021, that is for this financial year only. This relief is given for this financial year only, not for the next financial year. Okay, and the last point is this relief shall not be available to a salaried and non-resident taxpayer. It means this benefit is not available for the salaried and non-resident taxpayer. Got it? The next point is all pending refunds to charitable trust and non-corporate businesses and professions shall be released soon. The third point states due date of all the income tax return for the financial year 1920, that means for the assessment year 2020-21, will be extended from July 31st 2020 and October 31st 2020 to November 30 2020. That means the due date of all the income tax return, whether of means of any SSE, of any SSE. SSE means person, means individual, firm, company, anyone. For every SSE is increased from July 31st or October 31st to November 30th. Okay, but the fourth point says the due date for tax audit under section 44AB shall be extended from September 30 to October 31st. That means the tax audit due dates are not extended. It is extended only for the 1 month, not till 30th November as mentioned in the third point. Got it? One more thing I want to clear it, that this notification, this circular is all only for the income tax return. It is not connected with any statutory return which is notified under Companies Act 2013. Hence, the due date of stat audit, which is 30th September, means the filing of the forms of ROC, that is of 30th September, which you have to file by 30th September. There is no such notification by the government by the ROC as of now. But it is sure that after notification of the income tax department, ROC will also extend their due dates. Okay, so fifth point is the last date for opting Vivad Se Vishwas scheme without paying additional 10% of the disputed tax shall be extended till 31st December. Sixth point says the due date of September 30, 2020 for completion of assessment, means there are some assessments which needs to be completed. 30th September for the assessment shall be extended to December 31st, 2020. Done. Where the assessments are getting barred on 31st March 2021, it shall be extended up to September 30, 2021. Means the main relief is given to the due dates which are filing dates. Okay, is by reducing the rate of the TDS or TCS, the government helps the taxpayers to have more liquidity in their hands. And what is the amount of the liquidity? It is 50,000 crore rupees. Okay, this announcement will benefit the self-employed professionals and senior citizens earning interest income or rental income. Means it says that this, what is the benefit of this reduction in rate of TDS? The first benefit is the liquidity in the hands of the taxpayer. The second benefit, the SSE who are getting the benefits are the self-employed professionals and the senior citizens earning interest income or rent. But there are some more cons also which you have to understand and know where is specified. So I'll let you know about that. However, it should be noted that the relaxation in the rate of the TDS or TCS will not have any impact on the ultimate tax liability of a taxpayer. क्या कहना चाह रहा है? It says that relaxation in the rate of TDS TCS will not have any impact on the ultimate tax liability of a taxpayer, means your ultimate tax liability will be the same. How? Just read the next sentence. It says any deficit in the tax liability due to reduced rate of TDS or TCS should be payable through advance tax installments. Means गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, इस हाथ से दिया दूसरे हाथ से ले लिया. सो उन्होंने एक टाइम पे आपको लिक्विडिटी दे दी, लेकिन द फाइनल स्टेज, एट द फाइनल स्टेज दे हैव टेकन योर लिक्विडिटी बैक. हाउ? थ्रू एडवांस इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. है ना ये कमाल की बात. So there are some tentative rates after this reduction. So you can check it. There are some sections mentioned on the left hand side. Their nature of income, the rates effective from 1st April 2020 to 13th May 2020, and the rates effective from 14th May till 31st March. So after 25% of deduction, these rates are fixed by the government. So you will get this in my notification box, in my description box. You can download it if you want, or you can get it from the website also. Okay, so I have mentioned the rates of different sections where the reliefs have been given. There is no relief in the thresholds, so thresholds are the same which was earlier, but there is a relief in the tax rate. So you can see where the rates are 2%, the current rate will be, after deduction the rate will be 1.5%. Okay, so this is the TCS rates, tentative rates. So these are the second column, goods and services, where you are liable to deduct TCS. So at the third and fourth column it is mentioned the rates, the old rates and the new rates. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and in case you have any query or comment, you can mention in my comment box so that I can help you with that. Okay, thank you so much.